Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to insert images and videos in HTML. Alright guys, so the purpose of inserting videos and images in your website is to make it look more professional, attractive, and it is also easier for viewers to understand your content. So in today's video we will be covering the H basic HTML tags for inserting images. So this is my sample web page. Alright, so now I will be explaining you how to insert an image. So the image tag is very simple. All you have to do is say img image c. Alright, so over here you specify your path of the image, so it means where your image is located, and over here you specify the width and the height of the image. So I will just pick up any image, any random image. Alright guys, so your image and picture must be saved in the same folder as your web page. Now, as we said earlier, I'll be making the image tag. Alright, so I explained you earlier that over here is the place where you specify the path of the image. Over here is the height, and over here is the width. So now I don't need to tell the path of the file. All I need to do is just type the name of the image file. So my image file's name is image. So all I need to type is image and the file format of the file. So this image.jpg. So the height of the image, I want it to keep it 300. HTML will take the height as pixels, so my height will be 300 pixels and the width will be 400 pixels. Height is telling the height from the picture, and width is telling how wide you want the picture to be. Now let's save this. I'll just open the web page. Okay, right now the image is not being displayed as it might be another file format type. Let me just check it. If you want to find the file format, all you have to do is right click the file and go on properties. Alright guys, so I made a mistake. The file format is PNG, as you see over here. It's written PNG file. So I have to type image.png. Now it should work. And as you see over here, the image is displayed. Now let's move on to the video. Now suppose I want to insert a video. I will need to use the video tag. So the video tag, I'll explain you in a minute. Right guys, so this is the video tag. So the source movie.ogg, it is just for the audio. Audio is not required at the moment. All you have to do is insert the video. So make sure that your video is MP4. To find the format, just go on, right click and properties. So my file is MP4. So now I need to type the file name attributes.mp4. Alright guys, and the height and width is 320 and 240. Remember to put controls in the tag, else you won't be able to pause nor play the video. Let's save this and return to our web page. Now as you see over here, our video is uploaded. Now let's play the video. So now I will be teaching you some basic attributes in HTML. Sorry guys, it is mute. Type any text in any tag. Okay, so as you see over here, it is showing the video. So that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please share my videos to other people, and if you haven't subscribed, then please do so. I will see you in the next video. And please remember to comment.